Hello, welcome, my name's Crow, welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums. To this little sound demo video, it's for one of our Etsy listings. It's for this drum here. It's rather beautiful, as you can see. It's got a nice dyed design on this skin. This skin in question is buffalo skin. It's on an ashwood frame and it's 16 inches in diameter. If I turn it over here, you can see there's a branch handle here. Now this is ashwood as well. It's been decorated there with a little bit of wool and some leather trim. It's laced with artificial sinew, which is great for resisting the effects of moisture on your shamanic drum. And on the inside of the frame, I've put a little bit of information burnt in there the day when the drum was birthed. I'll read it out. It's birthed on the 12th of April 2022 in Knighton, Powys, UK. And that information should be everything that you need to be able to make a birth chart for the drum, find out what energies were around on the day when this drum was birthed. I've also popped in the inside there my maker's mark, Driftwood Hollow Drums. Okay, so the sound is the important thing. That's what we're here for. I'm going to use two beaters. Let me grab those. I'm going to use a soft beater and a firmer beater. Both give a slightly different sound. Both or either of these would be available to purchase alongside the drum. Not these particular ones probably, but something very similar to these. If you decided to buy it, then yeah, there's an option for a firm or a soft beater. I'm going to start with a soft beater, I think. Pop that there. So here we go. And then the firmer beater, here we go again. Beautiful. Okay, well, I hope this video has helped when you're making your decision on which is the right shamanic drum for you. That's why I really make these videos, so you can hear that sound, make a more informed decision when you're making your choice. So I hope you've enjoyed. I hope it's been helpful. I'm Crow. It's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.